Hello, good morning, guys. How you doing? Hopefully the sound is okay. Let me do a very quick sound check. Let me also read the comments. Please, guys, tell me if the volume is good. I mean, I'm not shouting, I'm not speaking loudly, but hopefully the mic seems to be picking up my voice. So let me double check. We've got Manuel, Cryptonet, Merzet, Baski, maybe, I guess, or Baski, Mohammed Rifat, Anas, Elsman, Psyched Biker, Sarah. Where's our champ? He just, I mean, I woke up 2 hours ago, but I still sound sleepy. Good morning. Looking forward to some calm, thoughtful insight on the move today, Ahmed. Thank you, Paul. We got Hamza. Okay, psyched. Paul, volume is good. Good morning, champs. All right, so hopefully the volume and quality will be or would stay good for the duration of the live stream. I won't be going live for very long or for as long as usual. I mean, I could have even like made a video and would have been better to be honest because I might be only going live for a maximum of 20 minutes. I mean, knowing myself, I'd probably stay for an hour, but I have to somehow say the stuff that I want to say or talk about in less than in less than 15 minutes. So let's get right into it. I mean, hopefully you guys were able to make money and catch the move we spoke about 2 days ago. Yesterday, I didn't go live, but at least the live where we covered, I mean, this was 24 hours ago. So I forgot to be honest. I'm pretty sure we didn't go live yesterday. So it has to be, or had to be the day before yesterday. So as you can see here, oh yeah. So let me double check this. The screen is not working. All right. So let me double check. All right, guys, hold on. We got Kropi. Are you in a trade? I will speak, guys. Hold hold tightly. Yes, give me a second here. Yeah, so let me double check if it works now. Yeah, it's moving. All right, that's very good. Anyways, so 2 days ago we went live, first live on the road, and I told you guys that uh yeah, we covered a very interesting idea, a potential idea for a long. I told you guys that I think that was Monday, so I mean it has to be Wednesday today. I'm not sure. Yeah, it is Wednesday. So yeah, on Monday we opened the live stream, or we made a live stream that was pre NY open, and we spoke about the potential long if we fake out 90 to 90.2. Yeah, and I told you guys that even though it is a scalp long where you might be looking to book profits here, there's also always the possibility of actually getting into a little scalp long that would eventually and potentially turn into a much larger swing trade. In this case, it did actually do that because not only do we, reclaim this, but also reclaim 93K. We did cover how important and pivotal breaking and reclaiming 91.3 would be on the short to mid, time frame. And as you can see, that was clearly the case here. I mean, hopefully, guys, you managed to catch that. I mean, I think so. Yeah, it was 2 days ago. So please do tell me if you caught this amazing long because it was the easiest long to get into. Hopefully nobody missed it because I mean, if you missed this one, then unfortunately, my friend, not unfortunately, you'll be able to hopefully learn better how to not miss these like in the future. But trust me, that was an easy trade to to not miss. To be honest, I mean, unless it was at night for you, it was at an inconvenient time, then that would be obviously normal. Yeah, but if you wanted to trade this and you were, prepared, but you didn't enter, you didn't have the courage to press a button, then that would be an issue, to be honest. Yeah, and a fixable issue, but it is an issue nonetheless, I guess. So as you can see, we got above 91.3, and then us reclaiming it was very important and pivotal, as you can see. And that was, I mean, I'm pretty happy about our lines because see how like they are very crucial in either acting as resistance and not allowing price to push higher, or actually reclaiming it and going much higher. So usually these areas of volume are very much important in dictating the next move to come. And obviously after reclaiming, let's say, hold on, yeah, I mean, we did play around it, and then we finally reclaimed it, got above the anchored view up, and then secondarily we got above 93. No shorts to be had here. Obviously, guys, I did mention a potential short. I told you guys, by the way. Let me also be clear here that I did cover potential shorts if we go above 93.1 and then lose it, but we never lost it obviously. So hopefully nobody just randomly shorted this. No shorts to be had, just waiting for higher. Yeah, I mean, sorry for not being there 24 hours. I mean, yeah, I would have loved to be in the office covering the market as we usually do, but we will do with it, guys. So hopefully you, I mean, you had made money from this move. Yeah, so let me double check. Let me see what's going on the charts. Please go to your setup. I mean, guys, hold on, wait, and let me let me do my usual, because I'm telling you guys, don't worry. I'm going to be mentioning all the setups. Don't worry about them. I know that you wish that the live stream would be shorter. If you are, I mean, short in time, you're more than welcome to, I mean, join I mean, wait for the live to end, and then you can watch it 2x, 4x speed once the live stream is done. Caught and exit with profits, waiting for new setup. That's good. Yeah. I mean, doesn't seem like all of you guys have caught it, so that's maybe a shame. Or Yentabra missed it. That's fine, to be honest. I didn't take the trade. That's fine. Unless you actually wanted to and you didn't, or you chose not to, then that's a bit of a shame, to be honest. So anyways, so after Bitcoin pumped, it got above 93.1 and then finally hit our POC, our point of control, the area where we said that this would be an important pivotal area to either, I mean, go above and reclaim and then start shooting higher, or actually this acting as a double fake out, or I mean, we took liquidity, faked it out again, and that would be the actual move. Usually Bitcoin, especially as it has evolved, I guess, with everybody like knowing and understanding liquidity, sometimes it does these, like, I mean, amazing fake outs where it goes higher and then, I mean, goes higher, does a first fake out, and then puts a secondary higher high, and then finally gets a move lower. So that, I mean, so that would be a possibility here, especially because Bitcoin has perfectly hit 96.6 and is getting a bit of a move lower. As you can see, we haven't yet technically lost the anchor view up, so that would be something that would be kept in mind. So, I mean, not the most bearish move yet. Yeah, as you can see, hit the anchored view up, haven't lost it yet. So I think the bearishness would be, I mean, yeah, first bearish thing is actually hitting this and not reclaiming it. So that would be one. But the more lower, the more confirmation we'll be getting. So I mean, secondarily, we'll be obviously losing the anchored view up, which is right now at around 95K. After that, I'd say, I mean, with the let's add them up together. So I'd say this section of where you lose I mean, the wick of the first move with the anchored wave. That's the second, maybe, or maybe, yeah, I'd say that that's the second or step two for bearishness. Not only do we reject off of this, but then we have to lose this, and then would be potentially reversing all the way lower. If we never do that, then we have a very good likelihood of actually getting a move higher to either fake this out again or obviously reclaim it and go higher. So, I mean, if someone is looking to swing short these, maybe look for or wait for, I mean, a loss of this level before, I mean, doing a very much larger short on a higher time frame. Let me also double check the volume, and also keep in mind that whenever the price goes to extreme highs or lows within a range, then obviously or most likely the value area high will be below you, so that it is technically remains to be support. So yeah, so 93.2, I guess now, is technically still local, also higher time frame support. So it is, to be honest, a good move. Nothing bearish yet. Yes, so keep that in mind. So even though you could be shorting a loss of this with the stop loss above this, keep that in mind that what this may happen again. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, I mean, we need to lose 93 if you want to enter. I mean, if you want to hold the short for longer, you want to do this and then lose this, and then you'll be good for holding it for much lower. Yeah. So yeah, and then let me also check. We don't have a weekly, but we might have a daily candle or whatever. Yeah, we'll have probably have an MPUC here. Yep. I haven't checked, but yeah, I haven't even turned on my exo chart. So we'll have to do it manually, I guess. Let me see. Yes, so technically this is an MPC. I mean, We might have others. Yeah, so let me double check the quality. Seems to be good. Nobody's complaining. Mm, yeah. Good morning, champs. Thank you, guys. Thank you for showing up in or at such a very very early time. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be or I won't be able to go live at our usual timing, unfortunately. I might do or I might be able in some like random days, but today I can't. Anyways, and what else? Yeah, let me double check the anchored VWAP. So yeah, I mean, pretty very very easy, very similar. I'd love to check out the exo chart. So let me bear with me, guys. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is on. Yeah. So guys, still dealing with the Mac process. So I guess yeah, it is on. The daily is at 94,197. Or it's very interesting. 197, 94, 94, 197. So 197. I'll do it manually. 197. Yeah, that's good. And then we'll go back to exo and let me see the order flow and how it's looking like. Okay, so we got massive shorts here. Whenever I see this and like massive shorts are like entering at a low with the CVD going lower, it is bullish to be honest. Like especially with how much the CVD went lower, it shows you that there were a huge amount of shorts and sellers that wanted to push price lower, but it is actually right now above VWAP. So I'd say that, to be honest, if Bitcoin doesn't lose, I'd say maybe 95 to 94.8, it is more likely to push higher. Don't be long in this. I'm just saying that it doesn't look like the most bearish move yet. Like, I wouldn't be wanting to short this yet. Yeah, to be honest, I'd much prefer waiting for. Give me a second. Yeah, I'd much prefer waiting for a loss. As I said, to be honest, it is like I mean, even without the order flow, as I told you, I mean, waiting for this to be broken doesn't look like the cleanest, so I'll delete it. But just remember that I'll probably wait for a loss of 94.8. Why? Because now it does look more bullish, to be honest. Whenever you see absorption, shorts are pushing price lower, CVD is lower, but price is still like holding strong. Usually it signals a move back to the highs. I mean, it's not a crystal ball thing, whatever, but I'm just saying that as a potential order flow reading. Also, the high doesn't look like the most bearish high or the weak. I mean, not the weak, the high. Sorry, not the strongest high. So it is a weak high, to be honest. So we got a weak high, liquidity high. Shorts are piling in, getting absorbed. The high was put at, I mean, midnight or so, around midnight. It wasn't at NY or something. So if I had to give a percentage, I'd say that 70-80% we will go and breach higher. Don't be long in this, but maybe just wait and be cautious with shorts. Yeah. So please, guys, don't be using my words and my statements as trades. See, your audio is breaking. All right, guys, let me do a quick audio check. Is it working or not? Hello, guys. Thank you. Uh, can you guys tell me? I closed my long trade at 93K, and that is a mistake, to be honest. But that's a fine mistake to make because you hopefully will learn in the future not to close. I mean, trades fully. I've been telling you guys that please, whenever you catch a winning trade, don't be closing it immediately. Like try to be greedy with trades that are winning. Unfortunately, most of you guys are able to be greedy when the trade is losing, but if the trade is winning, you somehow uh you I mean you close it very very soon. It sounds good, only the sound is like little quiet. Yeah, that's me being quiet, I guess. So sorry, Stevek. You'll have to deal with quiet Ahmed for today. A bit sleepy. Anyways, so what I was saying that if I had to give a percentage, I would probably lean towards putting another higher high once NY, or preferably when NY opens. Don't want to be short in this. I could be wrong, and actually this would be the top. We lose 94, and then that would be a potential other different story. Personally, I'm not looking to short this yet. We either go higher to make another fake out, and then potentially look for this to be maybe my entry, or we actually, I'm not sure about shorting let me say, I mean, yeah, I'd prefer if Bitcoin does go higher immediately and give me something like that, or obviously not give me it and we go higher. So I don't want to cover every single scenario, but I'd prefer Bitcoin revisit the high. If it decides to lose or drop from now, then I mean the NPOC would be a lower time frame move, but I'd prefer maybe a retest of 93.2. Yeah, we got the we got a value area high with the anchored view up. Let me see what I mean. Yeah, I mean I don't want to be picking and choosing where to pick my lows from. So I mean I don't care about the Fibonacci golden pocket that much. Yeah, so 93.2 would be an area of interest of mine if Bitcoin would like to revisit it. Yes, so as I said, guys, potential shorts will be going higher again, doing this and then seeing if we either hold to go and fly or fake out to catch a short, a better short. Yeah. Uh, if Bitcoin from now on or after does this, I don't care if it does this and then lower or it goes lower now. I'm not predicting this, but if we somehow go lower in the next few hours, then 94.2 would be a scalpy lower time frame moves for those who are looking for it. But more importantly, for me personally, I would look for 93K for a potential. I mean, as I said, 93K is like very, very pivotal to a point where we either lose it and then, I mean, officially call this the fake out of the fake out and go lower, or we actually go lower, find strength, and then continue higher. So I cannot tell you what will happen, but if Bitcoin wants to go higher, if it goes lower from now, it has to hold 93.2. So I would be saying that Bitcoin has the freedom to play around from 9 or in between 93K or 93.2 to 97K without being neither or either, I mean, too bullish or nor too bearish. Yeah, nothing. I mean, consolidating in a more bullish range, I guess. A bit leaning more bullishly, but in a range. But yeah, so if it goes lower and loses 93.2, I tell you now, it is more bearish and probably would be going lower to 86 or even 85, or we actually go higher, fulfill our order flow prophecy, but then we either catch a short to, I mean, play the high, or actually hold, reclaim, never lose, go above, and then be potentially ready for an amazing pump to 114. I mean, if Bitcoin wants to pull the most funniest thing ever, it would be us going holding 97 and jumping 114. Why? Because I don't want to be predicting this, so I will don't be using this as a as a statement of a setup. But I'm just saying that, I mean, to be honest, us ranging for 2 3 months, everybody losing interest in the market, and then we somehow, some way catch a random pump where most won't be participating in such move, it would be a classic Bitcoin move. So even though I don't wanna say it as a, or I don't wanna, I mean, yeah, put it in a way where I mean, essentially predicting. I'm not giving a prediction, but I'm just saying that if Bitcoin wants to do this, it has the ability to do it, especially because it will be something where nobody is waiting for. So I'm not saying to long, I'm not telling you this would happen. I'm merely just saying that you can stack longs, keep them open in case this happens. Just please, guys, for the sake of God, understand and know that we are at the top of the range. We are at a critical zone. I'm not using it as a title. I'm just saying that this is literally a critical zone where if we hold 95, go back above 97, and then hold 97, we would be probably, I mean, shooting for 114, 118 even, yeah? Or we actually could have reached the top now and we will be or would be probably going lower. So see how it may seem contradiction or contradictory, but I'm just saying that at a pivotal point, obviously, I mean, it's from the name, so I guess pivot. So it is going to either go much higher or much lower. I'm not going to be stating that this is a, I mean, a usual boring range. It's not. It's literally at 95, playing and fighting against the anchored view up a bit lower, and 96, 97 as an important area. So please understand, guys, that if Bitcoin wants to pull the easiest, funniest thing ever, please have longs from lower. Don't be telling me, oh, I missed the move. Don't be telling me, oh, I have to look for longs. No, it would be much better if you have a long, so that you can keep it open. We literally just gave, I mean, it's not a team here, it's not me, it's a one-man show where we gave a long from 90, I forgot where to from, yeah, 90k, 90.2. So if you have this open, be a smart human where you hold the rest for higher. I mean, you can tell me, oh, Ahmed, okay, so you're telling me don't be closing the long we opened 2 days ago. What if the price does this? Then, obviously, my friend, you can close whatever portion you got left at a way much lower profit rather than selling at the top. So yes, I'm literally saying that I'm willing to give away or give up, a portion of my profits if the price loses 93.2, and then I'll be closing the other 50% at a lower rate where I could have, close it higher, yeah, in return of potentially catching a pump. So see how nice it is to have longs and not caring whatever happens, happens. Obviously, everybody, if I told you that, will you accept? Yeah, give me a second. If I had told you back when we were discussing the potential idea of a trade on Bitcoin 2 days ago, yeah, at 90k, if I had told you, would you accept you entering along here and then catching a trade to 93 or 93.2? Everybody would say yes, absolutely, I'm willing to take profits here. So why not, yeah, not take profits here, hold it for higher, but don't be taking profits here either. But then see if it goes higher, be happy. If it goes lower, then you're already going to be closing the profits at your previous acceptance. I guess point. So you won't be missing on much. Yes, you didn't realize paper profits, but it is what it is because that's the name of the game where we hold longs for potential much higher moves. So I think that would be it. Yeah. Yeah. Good afternoon. Thank you, Vikrant. If we drop to 93 and then we break, then might be good. I did say that literally. I'm happy with the lifetime. Great time in Asia. Thank you, Lindsay. I'm happy for you to be for your happiness. To be honest, I'm glad that. That's the beauty of actually going live in the English channel because it's literally funny. Like I can go live at any random time, and at least 30% of the viewers would find it actually ideal to go live at this time of the day. So guys, you have to excuse me. I know it's only 28 minutes. I was planning to only stay for 15 minutes, and I also don't have time or the capabilities of editing a video. So I just wanted to go live, speak a bit, and then ask to be excused, I guess. Also, I finally reminded guys that, see how nice it is. That was the trade literally shown on the order flow. We spoke about the order flow, the longs getting opened. I explained why I wanting these longs to be, stopped out. I told you just wait for a pullback below 90.2 and then for a move up, which actually, resulted in this most amazing move. Sorry guys for me geeking out a bit here, but let me go on a 15-minute time frame. Yeah, that was literally this. We said huge longs, wait for NY open, fake out of the longs or stop of the longs, fake out, and then long. If you missed this, sorry, my friend, you need more time on the chart. Also, one more thing. A final reminder, we only got 7 hours till the end of the trading competition. If you wish to participate, you got time, not enough time, but at least time. Yeah, I don't want to lie and say you have enough time. But if you are already a participant, then I wish you good luck on, on the journey and on the competition, whatever that is. Yeah. So hopefully, guys, I'll catch you maybe at night or tomorrow. I'll try to go also, or I'll try to go live similar to this time. Either way, I'll hopefully update you guys on the Telegram. So